Good morning dear students, class 11 physical education. In last video lecture we were discussing about objectives of physical education. So four objectives of physical education are given here. First is the physical development, second is the psychological development, and third is social development, and fourth is emotional development. So today we will discuss about all these objectives of physical education. First is the physical development. To achieve the ultimate aim of physical education, the objectives of physical development has to be achieved. Means to achieve the ultimate means final aim of physical education, we have to achieve the objective of physical development. According to this objective, body should grow in a proper way, and physical activities help in developing the body. Our body is a kind of machine which grows and develops with physical activities. And physical development improves our neuromuscular responses and leads to maximum organic development. Thus, physical activities must be performed to develop optimum growth. Means, physical activities should be performed to develop the best growth of our health. This objective also guides a person to make his body strong, well shaped, good looking, good working of internal organs, good health, and improves the physical personality. Means physical development improves the well shaped body, good looking and good working and internal organs, and it improves good health also, as well as physical personality. As body and mind are interrelated, there is psychological unity of body and mind. So we must perform physical activities regularly and take active part in these with full enthusiasm. This makes a sound body, which is a home of sound mind, thus helps to develop good health of individual. So here we must perform the physical activities regularly with full enthusiasm, and these activities makes sound body, means healthy body, because this is the home of sound mind. And next is the psychological development. This development is related with positive thoughts, ideas, behavior, attitude, conduct and responses, and this objective helps to the psychological balance of an individual. Means it maintains the psychological balance of any person. And in other example, you can say mental progress or mental development. This objective directs the growth and development in a sequential manner. Means this psychological development develops the mental progress, mental development. This objective directs the growth and development in a sequential manner, and this development gives identity to one's personality by good behavior. The positive thoughts and ideas guide the individual toward progress and hence make a person good citizen. The development of positive mind helps us to achieve the aim. And by this kind of development, our mind becomes positive and it helps to achieve the aim. This objective of physical education enables a person to overcome various challenges of life. in a good manner. And psychological development makes a person active and develop the well balanced life. Next is social development. Here, man is a social animal and cannot live without society. Here, the author says, man a social animal and man cannot live without society. Man is a part of society and has to follow the rules, regulations, traditions and laws of society. His activeness in society proves his identity. If the man is active, he proves his identity. In society, man learns the socialization process. Society also helps to improve his status, and this objective develops the social qualities like cooperative behavior, friendship, togetherness, honesty, obedience, sincerity, tolerance, adjustment, leadership, boldness, self-control and self-discipline. And this objective helps to stop the evils of society and brings up the progress of the community. And social development helps to achieve the aim of education and physical education, or to be an ideal citizen and a useful member of the society. Physical education programs provide good opportunity and practical experience to develop socialization process. Next is the emotional development. Emotions are very important part of optimum development of man's personality. Here, the author says that emotions of anybody is most important part of best development of man's personality. Emotions like love, hate, anger, jealousy, aggressiveness, cheerfulness, pleasure, anxiety, etc. These are the emotions and are parts of human personality. And these emotions helps to achieve optimum progress. Thus, it helps to achieve aim. Emotions must be expressed sometime in a controlled way depending upon the situation, and physical education provides good opportunity to practice these. Thus, emotional development helps man to achieve the aim of physical education. Here, career options in physical education. What are the career options in physical education? So, first is as a teacher of physical education. Means here the first option is the physical education teacher. For choosing this as a career, one must be well qualified with certified degree or diploma in physical education from a recognized university. And second is you can become a coach, and for this as a career one must have a certified diploma from NIS, National Institute of Sports, in a game or sport, and he must have good experience of playing and participating in the game. And third is as a physical training instructor. To choose this as a career, one must possess certified diploma after 12th class and good physical fitness abilities. Next is as a fitness trainer, or you can become a fitness trainer in physical education. To choose this as a profession, the person must be very fit. Any person should be very fit and healthy to become fitness trainer, and he should have the experience about the needs of the group, team, etc. to give fitness schedule. Next is as a specialist or official of game. A good player can easily become a specialist or official of the game, and this is upcoming profession. Next number is that as a yoga instructor, means you can become a yoga instructor. This career has good prospects as the need of the society is coming up more towards yogic practice. Thus, yogic techniques helps to give therapeutic effect along with overcoming overstress of life. For this as a career, one must have good experience of performing and educating yogic techniques. Next is as a sports journalist or commentator. Today media, newspaper, magazines, etc. need professional people of sport to perform in journalism. So this career option is also coming up, and a large number of channels and newspapers need good commentators or reporters. So good sportsmen with impressive voice along with this handsome personality are appointed as commentators or reporters. And next is as a dietitian or physiotherapist. Means you can become by physical education you can become a dietitian or the physiotherapist. An educated physical educationist has good knowledge of dietetics, so they can choose this as a profession. The knowledge of physical education provide good experience of sports injuries and their treatment. Thus they can adopt this as a profession like sports physiotherapist, rehabilitation expert, means recovery expert, ortho expert or masseur, etc. Next is as a biomechanic. Talented and good researchers or physical educationists help in developing new scientific tools which help the human race, and they are required in fast growing industries. Means a biomechanic should be talented and good researcher in physical education and help in developing new scientific tools which help the human race, and they are required in fast growing industries. And next is as an administrator or officer or employee. A good sportsman or sports person is a good leader and a good organizer. This helps him to act as a good administrator. Many physical educationists are especially required as administrator, directors, managers, etc. Lot of private companies, limited companies, semi-government companies, government sector firms, etc. prefer a sportsman. So many players are chosen for these professions like in railways, airways, police, defense, banking, electricity boards, etc. So these are the career option in physical education.